Oh. Okay, gonna give you a clue for this. Oh, hey, yung mga kids natin dito, good luck. At yung mga big kids natin, good luck. Okay, sino po dito ang palaging namamasyal sa Baguio? Okay, sa Session Road, Baguio. Raise your hands. Who's the familiar of the Session Road? Okay. Hindi po para pasyal yung mga taga dito. Okay, yes. Pero familiar kayo. Okay, great. Kasi if you are familiar with the Session Road, sa Lower Session Road, palagi siyang nakikita tuwing weekends. Okay. Yes.
Doraemon?
Ha?
Doraemon?
Hindi si Dabulag. Doraemon, congratulations na your first. Wow! Galing naman ni Kuya. Okay, ito naman. Medyo oldest. Pinakaluma sa lahat ng i-replay ko. Okay, kasi, give clue ha. Wala pa ako meron ng cartoons na to. Yes, of course. I'll promise that. Wala pa ako meron ng cartoons na to. Wow! Okay, go!
Scooby-Doo?
Not Scooby-Doo! Alright, go, come on! Not Scooby-Doo. Five, four, three. Oh, yes! Ghostbusters! Correct pala pa natin si Puyo. Sayang. Okay, great! Okay, ito naman. Well, okay, that's time. Batang 90s na mga mommies.
And everything.